In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter your data to show the top 5 or top 10 values inside a pivot table. So let's begin by making a pivot table. In this data, I have a bunch of order information, and what I want to do is see which of my customers make me the most money. So I want to show the customers, the top 5 customers in terms of sales. So I'm going to click on my data table, insert a pivot table. Put my pivot table in my sheet. And now we can begin. So I wanted to show my 5 best customers. So I know that I want my labels to be customers. So I'll put those in my rows section. And now I have all of my customer IDs in my table. Now I want to show the sales associated with those customers. So this is going to give me the total sales amount for each customer. Easy enough. Now I want to filter those because I don't want to show everybody. I just want to show my top 5 customers. And to do that, I'm going to click the drop down arrow next to my row label. And this gives me the option to do a bunch of different things. This is where you could sort your data up top. And then on the bottom, this is where you will filter. Now, you can filter by label or by value. What do those mean? The labels are, in this case, your row labels. All right, these are all of your customers. Easy enough. And the values are the actual values inside your table. So you can choose to filter by labels or by values. I want to show my top 5 customers in terms of sales. So I'm going to choose to filter by value. And how do I want to filter? Well, there are, again, a bunch of different options in here, but I want to show the top 5. So they call it top 10, but you can choose any number. So I'm going to show top 10. And now is where it gives me the option to choose how many I want to show. So if I show 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, it automatically, whatever you change that number to, if I wanted the top 20, it would show me the top 20. Now I only want to show, whoops, get back in there. Again, you can see the filter is set because there's a little filter or funnel icon now. But if I wanted to change that to 5, I can go back in and adjust it to 5 or 4. All right, I want 5. Great, so it's showing me my top 5 customers in terms of total sales. Now often when you show a top 5, you also want to sort your data. So I'm going to go back in to this filter area and I want to sort my data. But if I go ahead and click descending, because that makes sense if I'm showing the top 5, it didn't sort my data. Why didn't it sort my data correctly? Because I have customer ID selected. Instead of sorting by customer ID, I want to sort by my sum of sales. And here is now where I can change it to descending, and it doesn't look right, but I haven't adjusted my formatting. So as soon as I do that, it actually has changed it from highest to lowest in terms of values. So I'm going to go in now and adjust that formatting to make it look nice, make it easy to read. And you could include or not the decimal places, it depends on the directions. And again, the row labels and those aren't coming out very nicely. So I'm going to click design, change this to outline form, and it will automatically show customer ID and sum of sales. That might be okay. I prefer total sales since that's most understandable to people. So that is how you show the filter to show the top X, top 10, top 5, top whatever number you choose, and to sort your data.